Welcome to the show, everyone. This is what you guys wanted. You wanted to see Olympus style cabinet lock, all master pinned up to a master key system. Yeah, and it is possible. You're going to get a sneak peek. So let's get into the show. Hooray for us and hooray for you. Hey, guess what? I master keyed the Olympus squareback lock. And guess how I did it? I used Master King software from HPC. And I used Corbin Russwin, their key blanks. And it worked perfect for the Olympus locks. I can't believe it. These are the D keyway. And it just worked perfect. So I master keyed it. I'll have an upcoming video on how I did that coming to you in the future. So you can master key Olympus squareback locks with ease using HPC's Master King. Stay tuned. Oh, thanks for subscribing, telling your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way in the future. Boy, I love these squarebacks. Thank you, Olympus. Hey guys, I had a subscriber leave a comment wanting to know exactly how to master key these Olympus locks. They are the D keyway. It can easily be done with HPC. So stay tuned. Don't give up. I'm going to give a great video on this. Thanks again, guys.